Hello everyone. In this video I will show you something great and amazing thing. You never see it again, and right now is so popular and people making 10,000 to $20,000 per day from this using it. Okay, if you are watching this video first time and you don't know me, I am owner of moneymat.xyz. I am selling different kind of courses and methods and multiple things, website, AdSense and many more. You can come and check it out. Okay, so first I will show it to you. I just go on the Google and type this google.com and go on the clickbank and clickbank offer. Just copy this and just search this one, and I will show it to you something. When I see it on this single word, sponsored post, second university link, third is Amazon AWS link. Okay, now I will go to this offer as well. Just copy and right now just go on the Google and search it, and you will see the website, university link, Instagram post, Facebook and another Amazon AWS link. So what is this? This some kind of different SEO. Okay, you can come on my website, I will show it to you. You will see the first post about this SEO thing. Right now I am selling it. Okay, I will show it to you as well. Just right now the sales page is, so here is the sales page also on the Gumroad website here. Okay, this is the thing. This is kind of SEO. Right now people are making so much money, and I will provide, I am only the seller, provide this kind of SEO right now. Okay, I will provide the one video and PDF as well, provide the totally accurate information, so you can make your own kind of SEO using any product, any service. You will rank in the Google fast in just 2 to 4 hours, and you will rank on the any keywords. Remember, any keyword. If you are just ranking for the 24 hours on the SEO thing, you will easily make $100,000 to $200,000. So just grab this opportunity right now. This is the best thing right now, and if you want to check many more things, you can come on my website and check it out. Okay, also if you have any kind of want information or anything, you can just mail me on the info@moneymat.xyz, and there's multiple thing I'm selling from the last 4 to 5 years on my website. You can come and check it out, provide the proof and many more things. You can come and contact me, info@moneymat.xyz. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any kind of questions, you can mail me as well. Thank you again.